Hi, my name is Susie Davis, and I am a member of the Wellspring Christian Family Schools staff. Today, we are going to go through the process of filling out student academic records. The first thing you will need to do is to go to the Wellspring website. You can get there by simply doing a web search of WCFS.edu. Once you have the home page, you want to go to the toolbar underneath the photograph and click on Members. That will give you a very limited drop-down menu, and you want to click on Member Forms and Docs. This will take you to a screen that says Guest Area. Please enter the password below. The password is WCFS, all uppercase. So uppercase WCFS, and then you simply hit Go. We now have a screen that says Member Forms and Documents, and we have a couple of choices here. Today, we're going to work from the high school record book. So I'm going to click High School Record Book. We are going to work on filling out these forms in order, and each form will be a short video. So the first form we have says Wellspring Christian Family Schools High School Reporting Forms. And this first form gives us all of the student information. We're going to come to this form, and the first thing we will do is fill out the student name. To fill this part out correctly, we want to fill in the student's first, middle, and last name, just like this. So we have the student's full name on the student name. Next, we're going to come to the address line, and that is the address where you actually live, your physical place of dwelling. So we're going to put in the house number and the street, and that's our address. From here, we're going to go to the city, state, and zip code. You want to start with your city, whatever that happens to be, followed by your state code, 2 letters uppercase, and then your zip. Next, you're going to fill in the date of birth. This is numerical only. So we're going to do numbers, month first, then the day, and then the year of birth. The next part of this film that we fill out would be the grade. That gives us a drop-down choice. Joshua is in 12th grade, and then the student ID number, which we have given you, or if you're an affiliate program, your affiliate program has given that to you. The last thing that we fill out on this first page are the parents' names. And again, we want the first, middle, and last name for those parents. So we've completed this first page, and we have all of our information entered correctly, and that will then drop us down into the pages that follow.